So you've been trying to make money with affiliate marketing and you're still struggling to earn commissions. I'm going to do something drastic. I'm going to let you copy and paste my entire $6,000 a month business for free. Subscribe to my channel if you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, and be sure to hit the notification bell. My name is Barb McGowan, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job in 6 months using affiliate marketing. And I want to help you reach your financial goals too. If you're watching this right now, you've probably already tried to make money with affiliate marketing, but it hasn't worked for you. Leave a comment to let me know what you've tried and what has or hasn't worked for you. It's frustrating to watch other people have success with affiliate marketing, while you feel like you've done everything right but still haven't seen any results. Luckily, I'm about to hand over my exact $6,000 a month business and save you a ton of time and stress. The first thing I'm going to give you is my sales funnel. A sales funnel is just a simple 2-page website that collects email addresses and introduces the product that you're promoting. I use ClickFunnels to build all of my funnels because it's the best funnel builder out there for converting traffic into customers. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, click the link down in the description to get a free 14-day trial. Now, ClickFunnels is $97 a month, but it's worth it because it helps me to generate $6,000 a month in commissions. Once you have your ClickFunnels account, click the link down in the description to import my funnel into your account. Now we're going to view the funnel and click it so that you can edit it and customize it for yourself. So click Edit Page, and you'll need to edit the name, the image, and the footer. To edit the text, just double click on it and type over it. So if your name is John Smith, you would just type in your name here. Hover over the image and click the gear icon to open the settings. Click the image icon and upload an image from your computer. Once it's uploaded, double click on the image to insert it into your page. Now click outside the box to close it and click Save in the upper right hand corner. Then click the exit arrow at the top. Now we're going to move on to the bridge or thank you page. So click Edit Page, and you'll need to edit the name, the video, and the story. You're also going to need to add your own affiliate links, but we're going to come back to that in just a moment. I suggest recording your video on your phone and uploading it to Wistia.com. You can also use YouTube, but Wistia is better for this type of video because it won't suggest other videos for the viewer to watch and therefore is less distracting. And if you aren't sure what to say in your bridge page video, I'm going to include a script, which is linked down in the description. Once you've customized the bridge page, click Save in the upper right hand corner, and then click the exit arrow. If this video has been helpful so far, hit the like button before we move on to the next step. Now, it's important to follow up with potential customers using an automated email sequence because most people don't buy a product the first time that they see it. So I'm going to give you my exact 9-email sequence for you to import into your account. So next, we're headed over to Aweber, which is an email autoresponder. And if you don't already have a free Aweber account, click the link down in the description to sign up for one. Once you have your account set up, click Messages on the left-hand side and click Campaigns. Click on Create a Campaign, Import a Campaign, and then click on the Aweber campaign code that's linked down in the description below. When you import it, you'll need to give your campaign a name. So I'm just adding a 2 to the end of mine because I already have a campaign by this name, which is what I'm sharing with you. Once it's imported, be sure to edit each email to include your name and affiliate link. And we'll come back to your affiliate link in just a moment. If you're excited to move on to the next step, go ahead and hit that like button. Now we need to grab our affiliate link. My main product that I promote is the Legendary Marketer 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. That's what taught me the basics of affiliate marketing and helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job within 6 months of starting. And if you haven't already enrolled in the 15-day challenge, click the first link down in the description to do so. You're going to want to go through all 15 days of the challenge so that you'll get all the information and tips for how to start and run an online business. And once you've completed the challenge, you'll need to apply to become an affiliate. Now, if you apply to become an affiliate and it takes longer than a few days to get approved, just send me an email and I'll contact Legendary Marketer to have your application pushed through. Once you've been approved to become an affiliate, you'll receive an email. And once you receive that email, log into your Legendary Marketer back office, go to Account, Affiliates, Funnels, Business Challenge Lite Theme, affiliate links, and then scroll down to the sales page and copy the link in the box. Now that is your affiliate link. And now we're going to head back over to ClickFunnels for the next step. If you're excited and ready for this next step, go ahead and hit the like button and let's head back over to ClickFunnels. Now first we're going to connect ClickFunnels to Aweber so that when someone enters their email in your funnel, they'll start receiving your automated email sequence. So go up to your name and click Account Settings, and then click Integrations on the left-hand side. Click the yellow button that says Add New Integration, and then select Aweber from the list. Now you can ignore this yellow box that's popping up that's giving me a warning because I already have Aweber integrated. You're not going to receive that same yellow warning box when you set yours up. For integration nickname, just enter Aweber. I'm entering Aweber 2 because I already have an Aweber integration set up, but you can ignore that. Just name yours Aweber. Next, click Connect Integration. You're going to log in with your Aweber credentials to connect ClickFunnels to Aweber. And as you can see, Aweber was successfully created. Now we're going to go back to our funnel, select the opt-in page, and click Edit Page. Now go to Settings, Integrations. As you can see, it's not connected currently. We're going to select Aweber from our integration list. I'm selecting Aweber 2, but you're just going to select Aweber. Select Integrate an Existing List, and select the name of your list. Click outside the box to close it, and click Save up in the upper right-hand corner. Then click the exit arrow at the top. Next, click on your bridge or thank you page, and click Edit Page again. Now hover over the button and click the gear icon to open the settings. Click Set Action, completely delete the link that's inside of that box, and paste your link inside. And it's very important to make sure that your link does not have a space at the end of it. Right now, my link does not have a space. That is what it looks like if I add a space. So if the cursor is blinking and there's a space between the cursor and the last number of your affiliate link, you need to delete that space. Just hit the backspace button and that will get rid of that space. If your affiliate link has a space at the end of it, your funnel is not going to function properly, and we want to make sure that you get credit for all the sales that you drive. Now click outside the box to close it, and you're going to repeat that process with the other button on the page. Once you're done, click Save in the upper right-hand corner, and then click the exit arrow at the top. Now remember, we also need to go back into Aweber and add our affiliate links to our emails. So anywhere in the body of the email that it says your name, you actually need to insert your first name. And you would do so just by highlighting and then typing over. And look for any place where it says link back to sales page with affiliate link or anything like that. And that's where you'll enter your affiliate link. Now when people receive your automated emails and they click on that link, they'll be taken to your specific sales funnel and you'll get credit for any sales that are made. So we'll click Save and Exit, then click Messages. And you're going to need to go through each and every one of the emails that are provided in the campaign and make sure that you update your name and your affiliate link. And again, it's super important that you make sure that you put in your name and your affiliate link. That way your emails are customized to you, but also that you're going to capitalize on any sales that are made. So once you've gone through and put your affiliate link and your name in all 9 emails, you're going to want to click where it says Draft and change it to Active. I'm not going to click Activate Campaign because I already have this campaign active, but you're going to need to click Activate Campaign so it's active in your funnel. So I've just handed over my entire $6,000 a month affiliate marketing systems. That was my sales funnel, my email sequence, and the primary front end product that I promote. Now, if you need help or support as you get your business up and running, join my Facebook group. I included a link for it down in the description. Now you need to start driving traffic to your funnel. And this is imperative that you do this so that your funnel and your email autoresponder can start turning that traffic into paying customers. So be sure to watch the next video that's linked after this one, which is all about how to drive traffic to an affiliate offer using TikTok. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I'm going to do everything I can to help you reach your financial goals with affiliate marketing. I'm Barb McGowan, and I'll see you on the next video.